back to another video. We have a very busy day today because we are meeting up with one of my friends and we're going to be comparing his Stage 2 C63S to my stock GTS. So we'll see how that goes. We're on a little bit of a time crunch, but I'm trying to get everything done for you guys. All right, so we made it to the, oh, there he is. I can hear him. We made it to the first hangout spot, and I think he's coming up this way. Jesus Christ. That thing sounds insane. All right, Ken, tell us a little bit more about your car.
All right, guys, we have a 2015 Mercedes C63S here. We did some vinyl wrapping at VRD Customs. We just did a carbon fiber kit, black chrome delete, and then on the inside we have 3-inch function factory air intakes. We paired that with a 3-inch downpipe. With that, we have a Stage 2 Eurocharge tune from Eurocharge Boston. Go Boston. And we also have a TCU tune from there as well. We have WiseTech diverter valves. Other than that, pretty much, you know, stock internals, stock transmission. For the wheel setups, 255 35s in the front, and we got 295s in the back.
How's the traction been?
You know, the traction, you know, the car's putting down a lot of power right now.
Yeah.
600 to 650 wheel.
Jesus.
She doesn't like to hook up very much, so when we get into the testing, we'll probably see that in the video.
All right, so we're gonna do a quick 0 to 60 in the C63S. Oh shit. Well, I guess there it is. And then we'll see who gets the best time. So it's gonna be a little bit harder for him to put the traction down, but for rollers, he'll definitely win. That sounds crazy. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Do it again.
One more time?
Yeah, sure. All right, I've officially gone deaf. What was the time?
4 seconds. I couldn't get it under.
That's okay. Yeah, I told him that you were putting down a lot of power, so
yeah,
it's gonna be harder for the car to put everything down.
Beautiful day out today. So what he's getting ready to do now, everybody, is he's just going to do a couple runs, get the tires warmed up, and then he's going to do a couple 0 to 60s. We're just comparing both times. There he goes. Ooh, sideways. Turn it around, do another one, get all those tires warmed up. As you've seen before, the thing was almost sideways on them. Just trying to catch traction. These cars are very fast. Traction is definitely a downfall for us, stock or not. I don't know, what do you guys think? Who's gonna win? The stock AMG GTS or, you know, Stage 2 AMG C63S? You know, very close cars. Both have V8s, twin turbo. I don't know, let's see.
Okay, so for today, the GTS got 4.01 seconds and the C63, ironically, also 4.01 seconds, even though it's putting down more power. Even though this car has significantly more horsepower, I think it picks up the traction very well early on, and then you just go flying. That's weird though. I think it's because of like the temperature or something, because I've gotten 3.6 on like previous videos, but you don't have anything from today.
So. Definitely there's no rubber right here. We don't have any good traction. It's all just this back road, so.
Yeah, what do you think, Ken? Should we line it up for the last one? We'll get a couple revs.
I think think
Obviously,
so.
your car will sound better, but
That's
they
all right.
want to hear it too.
That thing hit
Dude,
so good.
That was awesome.
I just seen you go by me. I was like, ah!
That was sick.
That was so good.
Was your traction control going off like the whole
blasting.
time? Oh my god.
Yeah, it was blasting right here. It
That's
stopped.
hilarious.
It let it go again. Wow, that was good.
That was good. Well, that was surprising. All right, just a quick overview of what happened. So during that roller, Kent's car automatically went into second gear because he wasn't in manual mode. And I think that might have been better because if he floored it in first gear, he might have not been able to put the power down. If his car was in first gear, I feel like the traction control would have just completely bogged down the car.
Corazon. Don't finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got